Today, we're going to bring an actual head strap for the Oculus Quest 2. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us for review. So let's take a look at it and see what we get. Now, if you bought the Oculus, you know that it's not the most comfortable thing to actually set up. So this actually makes it a lot better. It kind of reacts almost like the PS4 I have. It had the actual foam in the head, so it was able to capture some of it because the actual weight is in the front. So this is going to balance it out and give you the center of gravity in your head, so you can be a lot lighter too. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get. All right, what you get first of all is actually the strap. It's ready to go. And if you guys notice, this actually ties up a little bit more, loosens it up, ties up, and it's very simple to install. Now, this one goes over your forehead, if you guys can see it. So I'm going to demonstrate here how it goes. It's pretty much goes like this, and it actually covers the top of the head, if you guys notice. You can move it to wherever you want, and then it's very flexible, very soft. And we're going to demonstrate how to install it. All right, here I have the Oculus Quest 2. I removed the straps, so if you guys can notice. You slide it in one corner, and then you just find the actual, once it hits the end on this part right here, all you got to do is snap it in there, and it clicks, and that's it. So we got it set up. Let's put back our face shield, open it as much as you can. There we have it. And then we could set it up however you want. You see that? Fits perfect. And I can't see any light coming in because it's actually pretty tight. So loosen it up more. And that's pretty much it. So very simple, easy to install. I actually like it a lot. So for those that have that big noggin head, this is perfect for you guys. This is a plus. It moves back and forth. So if you want more force and feel like the VR from the PlayStation 4, this is pretty much you move it to the front. But you want to do the center of gravity in the center so you can know and have the actual weight kind of balance it out because the front of it is pretty heavy. But other than that, it's really handy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.